Hi everyone. In this video I want to go quickly over how to save your data. So we already have this file, which was actually the heart disease CSV, and in that file we specified the target. In our test data it is called heart disease test, which is an Excel file, and in this Excel file we don't actually determine or what is the target. We just keep it as feature, or you can skip it, because now in this new data set we want to predict whether the diameter narrowing would be 1 or 0, or actually it is going to what it is going to be, if it is going to be 1 or 0, right? So let's look at here in the prediction. This is the prediction, and now it is actually predicting for us whether it is 0 or 1 for diameter. So now we have this sheet, and we want this, actually we want to save that output that we just saw. So we need to go through data, the data category or menu, and then we need to drag the save data. So we connect it to the prediction, right click there and say save as. So when you save as, select Excel. You can drop down, make sure not to select tab, just make sure that you select Excel, and you can call it, this is output or prediction output. Alright, and then you can give it the date, for example, for 18/20/23. Save it somewhere where you can find it, right? And then you can go out there and you'll find it in my downloads. Now I have it, prediction output, and this is how it should look like, right? And this is what you will need to submit. Okay, so this is the output, and this is basically what we are really interested, whether it was yes or no. So for the first patient, it says no, it doesn't have heart disease, has heart disease, and so on. I hope that helps, and I will see you later.